This is a presentation of the learning styles of the Net Generation. Classrooms across the country are made up of Net Generation students. Classroom teachers, particularly Boomers and Generation X, are having to make changes in order to effectively reach the Net Generation students. Net Generation students have definite learning preferences that differ from the way their teachers learn. Net Generation students see their teachers as a coach or a facilitator, not the sole source of information. As teachers, it is important to be knowledgeable about the learning styles and the changes that can be made. Now we are going to take a look at the learning styles and some of the changes that teachers can make. Net Generation students are visual and kinesthetic. They want to see and do. They do not want to sit and listen to a long oral presentation. They want a chance to try it out and figure things out for themselves. This makes learning more authentic, and consequently they remember what they learn. Technology is a natural part of how they do things. Students use the internet to find things out and gain experience with things they may not have access to in their everyday life. Generation students are social by nature. They want to collaborate and share information with their peers. This is the opposite of Boomers, who feel that having knowledge is power and don't want to share it. An interactive and collaborative classroom gives Net Generation students the opportunity to work together and share information. They can be social in an academic setting and learn from and with each other. Net Generation students are independent and autonomous learners. They want self-directed learning opportunities and projects. They want freedom to make decisions that will work best for them as they work toward and reach the end result of a learning project. They are used to using the internet to seek out information. Google it is a popular term for Net Generation students. Net Generation students are expert multitaskers. They text, do homework, listen to music, and are on Facebook all at the same time. The thinking that a quiet, distraction-free spot is best for homework does not necessarily hold true for Net Generation students. They actually find that to be a difficult way to focus. They prefer to be doing multiple things at one time. This carries into the classroom as well. They want assignments and projects that involve doing multiple things at one time. Net Generation students have definite preferences for immediacy. They know what they want and they want it now. When questions come up during a class discussion, the Net Generation student does not want to be told that the teacher will look up the answer and get back to them. In their mind, they are thinking that they can get the answer real quick if they could just get to the computer. They are used to using the internet to find what they want when they want it. This new generation of students is causing teachers to rethink their approach and make some changes. Net Generation students see technology as essential, and teachers need to incorporate more into their lessons. Today's students want an interactive learning environment. They do not want to sit and listen to a lecture. This slide lists a few of the many possible changes that a teacher can make in the classroom. Some are quite simple, while others may require more experience with technology. Oftentimes, the students themselves can help us to facilitate these changes.